close my eyes, the years have gone, yet love remains. Though time drifts on, with you my heart, the vow we made, my wife, my life, for night and day. Mother, grandmother, you've led the way through joy and pain. From tiny hands that held our own, our sons and daughters, now full grown, we watch them run for fields so wide, building dreams with you by my side. I'm gonna miss you when I'm gone, but I'll be watching our love lives on through our sons and daughters, their children too. The life we built forever with you. You held them close through every year, a mother's love, so strong, so clear. Now grandkids laugh where we once played. In their eyes, your warmth won't fade. We shared the load, we shared the light, hand in hand through day and night. Grandmother, now your love's the same. In every heart you've carved your name. Memories, they carry us through every smile, every tear, every truth. I'm gonna miss you when I'm gone, but I'll be watching our love lives on. You are sons and daughters, their children too. The life we built forever with you. When time calls me slip away, my love, don't fear, don't be afraid. We're in the breeze, in every tree. Our love's the root of this family. Memories, they carry us through every smile, every tear, every truth. I'm gonna miss you when I'm gone, but I'll be watching our love lives on to our sons and daughters, their children too. The life we built forever with you. So hold them close, let love abide. We'll watch together from the other side. In every laugh, in every song, my wife, my love, where I belong. Memories, forever they'll stay. With you, our family, never far away. Memories, forever they'll stay. With you, our family, never far away. I close my eyes, the years have gone, yet love remains. Though time drifts on, with you my heart,